Hi guys, this is Ishak Khan here, the developer for Blades of Heroes Samurai Rising. So this will be the first of many dev blogs where I kind of walk through the process of me creating my game. Blades of Heroes is an action-adventure third-person hack-and-slash sorts of game set in mythological Japan. In this game, you can switch between 3 characters as you move around the map and experience the storyline. So the first thing that we did was to create the concept art for the game. Here is the first hero, a blue samurai that wields a dual katana sword. He's really swift and fast and can chop his enemies right up. The second hero is a samurai that holds a naginata. It's kind of like a spear, and he's not as fast as the first guy, but he can give strong, devastating blows to his enemies. The third and final hero is a samurai that has a traditional bow and arrow, a ranged unit attacking the enemies from a distance. So when I designed the game, I wanted it to be like when a player selects a character, the other 2 allies will act like an ally AI system and still help you fight off some of the enemies in the map. But majority of the enemies will still be attracted to the main selected character, the player or the gamer in the game. I approached the production of this game by thinking about 5 things needed to get this game ready and hopefully have it be successful. The first is the game art, where I would establish the art style, the characters, 3D models and animations needed for the game. The second would be the game design. This would have to do with the type of objectives I've set for each level and how we can give the players the most fun out of each level. And of course, the sound and music to go along with it. The third is the programming, where I have to figure out the game systems and mechanics and how the player will interact within the game. The fourth would be marketing. Currently, I have an Instagram page and this is the YouTube channel that I've just started. I foresee this development journey to be about 2 years or so I kind of want to show everyone the process from the first day. And lastly is the management and how we are able to schedule the things needed for the things to be done within the game. All of these things are documented in a game design document. I planned out all the characters needed. We have a total of 19 characters including the NPCs and the enemies, and about 16 levels for this game spread across 5 different regions. And to end this episode off, we kind of get started with the 3D models for the playable characters already. All of our models are about 10 to 15k polygon count, so it will fit inside a PC or console game. We went with this hand-painted stylized texture for our game characters. Artistically, that has always been the art direction that I am interested in. So here is the blue samurai with his dual-wielding katana sword. We went with this blue and yellow color theme for the character, and I think it suits this character quite well. Here is the red samurai with his naginata. We adopted a maroon, blue and kind of a gold streak to represent this guy and hope the colors stand out. And lastly, here is the green samurai. Perhaps you can tell that he has this Buzz Lightyear feel to it, but that was the only color scheme that made sense for this character. So I hope you enjoyed the first series of our devlog and stay tuned as we progress on with our game development journey.